Okay, straight to the point. It is often argued that animal testing must be necessary because animal testing has been used for centuries and medicine has advanced in that time. But that's not the point. History is full of examples of flawed or fundamental practices and ideas that were once considered state-of-the-art only to be replaced years later by something more sophisticated and successful. In the early 1900s, the airplanes invented by the Wright brothers were truly innovative for their time. But more than a century later, technology has advanced to the point where these early flying machines seem outlandish, even ridiculous, compared to modern jumbo jets. These early ideas were part of aviation history, but no one would seriously claim that they represent the pinnacle of design or human achievement. The same goes for laboratory research. Animal testing is part of the history of medicine, but it belongs to history. Compared with today's potential to understand the basis of human disease at the cellular and molecular level, living animal experiments seem utterly primitive. So, if we want better medical research, safer and more effective medicines and cures for human disease, we need to turn this page of the history book and start a new chapter, 21st century science. The study of many human diseases has benefited from animal experiments, including pathologies such as cancer, brain injury, heart disease, kidney disease, multiple sclerosis and diabetes. Without the results of these studies, many people would die or have a reduced quality of life. On the other hand, some people think that animal experiments can be cruel and inhumane. Harmful use of animals in experiments is not only cruel, but often ineffective. Animals do not suffer from many diseases that humans naturally suffer from, such as major types of heart disease, many types of cancer, HIV, Parkinson's disease or schizophrenia. Instead, signs of these diseases are artificially induced in lab animals to mimic human disease. However, such experiments belittle the complexity of the human condition, which is influenced by a wider range of variables, such as genetics, socioeconomic factors, deep-rooted psychological problems, and varying personal experiences. Opponents of animal testing say that testing on animals is cruel and inhumane, that alternatives are available to researchers, and that animals are so different from humans that research on animals often yields irrelevant results. What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section down below.